designs up in the fucking clouds and shit, like different things, and they could program it to say like Wayne Newton or whatever the fuck it was, and it was the actual one that they used back then in the movie. And this dude lit a fucking cigarette on the damn laser, and I was like, holy shit, man, that was pretty damn cool though.
While this method of pouring your wine might not be for everyone, I think that we've definitively proved that if it's just you, your loved one, and some heavy machinery, it's totally viable now. The videos are in the can. You think they're going to go viral?
Only one way to find out, and that's to upload them to the net.
Mythbusters! There it is, right there. Green.